What's up, guys? Ryan back with you. Welcome to Burnwood Chronicles. Me and the family's out on another adventure today, going to Cape May, New Jersey, Wildwood, to mother-in-law's condo. Gonna have some beach time. Are you excited to go to the beach, buddy?
Yes. What you doing?
What about you, Lizzie?
I told you over there.
We're in Woodstock, Virginia. Had to make a little pit stop. Time to get back on the road. Taking a break at the Wawa. You think that's funny? Ha ha. Bryce is really salt. He's playing dead. Are you playing dead? Lizzie, you smell that salt?
Destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Get out of the way. Get your ass out the road.
Honey.
Bryce, what do you think, bro?
It's cold.
You got pizza coming, and then we're gonna go to the beach.
Pizza!
No.
He's gonna get knocked over.
Look, guys, it's Crazy Mima.
Dada, take her.
What is going on, guys? We don't even have food. Are you freaking serious?
I do. I get crackers.
Oh, that's why.
Should we do it, Ryan?
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. They're all our buddies. You're my buddy, aren't you? Yeah, you're my buddy.
I hope you got that on video.
You guys getting all that sand off of you? Let's see what you got.
Good job.
Who's a swimmer now? Huh? Y'all eating some of that Jersey pizza?
Yeah, delicious.
Huh?
It's delicious.
Let me see that.
I want a powder.
You took your pepperonis off?
Yeah, I want the pepperonis on there.
You got a little rain going on out here right now. Supposed to be a storm coming. It was really dark when we was on the beach over that way, but kind of went away. I don't know. I don't know. Crazy Meemaw and Kim went to the store to get a gallon of milk. Because these kids have got to have warm chocolate milk before they go to bed, don't you? Huh?